We'll go through the top 10 things to do in Florence in this video. European Renaissance's origins. A medieval hub of trade and finance, Florence is a history lover's dream and the location of the first gelato in the world. We appreciate Septics, the top option for travel adapters on Amazon. Hello and welcome to Z. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for funding this video. Here are our top 10 selections. 10th, Ponte Vecchio. Ponte Vecchio, a bridge that spans the Arno River and has a full medieval street. The oldest stone bridge in Europe was constructed in 1333. Farmers, butchers, and tanners were the first people to use the bridge, who ran the businesses along the bridge. Today, jewelers and souvenir vendors predominate. Both locals and visitors find the Ponte Vecchio to be a charming location. Vasari Corridor is located on the summit of Ponte Vecchio, a hidden corridor linking the Palazzo Pitti and the town hall. The Medici family, a well-known family that ruled Florence, created the passageway and encouraged a lot of the city's active artists. Piazza della Signoria, number 9. Piazza della Signoria, one of Florence's most well-known squares, is situated at what was regarded as Florence's political center. Numerous historical occurrences took place at the square. It is home to a number of notable structures and sculptures. Piazza della Signoria is the site of numerous events. What you shouldn't miss when you're there is as follows. In the past, the city's government was seated in the Palazzo della Signoria, also known as the Palazzo Vecchio. Throughout its lengthy history, the palace has also gone by various other names, including such as Palazzo Ducale, Palazzo Priori, and Palazzo del Popolo. The statue of Duke Cosimo I is located in the middle of the Fontana del Nettuno. The Medici family's desire to be a maritime power is celebrated by the fountain. The outdoor gallery known as Loggia dei Lanzi is home to several notable sculptures. San Lorenzo Market and Mercato Centrale, number 8. Everything is available here, including a wide selection of real Italian and Florentine cuisine, ceramics, apparel, souvenirs, and other goods. Since ancient times, Florence has been known for its leather manufacture. You may buy leather purses, belts, wallets, jackets, and other leather goods in San Lorenzo Market. The area of the San Lorenzo Market that is outside and surrounds the Mercato Centrale building has numerous streets lined with hundreds of stalls. You can even try negotiating to get a better offer. The indoor portion of the market, Mercato Centrale, was inaugurated in 2014. It is housed in a stunning iron and glass building from 1874. Explore all of its levels, which feature anything from pizzerias to regional specialties. The Uffizi Gallery, number 7, one of the most significant and popular art museums in the world, is the Uffizi Gallery. Since the 16th century, the gallery has been accessible to the public. What originally served as a location for administrative and legal offices currently has a huge collection of artistic creations. The artwork came from Medici family private collections before it was displayed in the museum, and were only presented to certain visitors. The largest collection of Renaissance art is available at Uffizi. The gallery's collection of sculptures and paintings is well known, starting in the Middle Ages and ending in the present. However, you can also observe architectural art exhibits, books, archives, prints, and drawings. You can view Botticelli's creations in Uffizi, and his well-known work, The Birth of Venus, artworks by Michelangelo, Leonardo da Vinci, and others. There are other additional significant and fascinating museums in Florence that are worth visiting. For more suggestions, see our travel guide. By the way, our trip guide is responsive to mobile devices. The top 20 things are covered in a PDF document, with maps, links, opening times, and other details about things to do in Florence. 36. Gelato was created in Florence during the Italian Renaissance. An alchemist employed by the Medici family was present at Catherine de' Medici's court in Florence. was rumored to be the first person to make Fior di Latte flavored gelato. You can have this delectable delicacy at a number of well-known historic gelato locations, include Vivoli. For more suggestions, see our travel guide. You'll need to get an Italian travel adapter, by the way, to power up other gadgets, such as your phone. Before departing for Florence, we advise getting a travel adapter. In fact, investing in a universal adapter so you can use it abroad is worthwhile. Septix, the top-selling brand of travel adapters on Amazon, is sponsoring this video. You might not be aware that various adapters can charge your phone and other gadgets at various rates. A travel adapter from Septix is available to charge your electronics more quickly. It's useful because it has various attachments and can charge up to 4 devices simultaneously, given that few outlets are often available in hotel rooms. To locate adapters that suit your needs, check out their website and YouTube channel. 5. Hospital of the Innocents, an orphanage for kids constructed in the 14th century. The Innocents Hospital, it is an illustration of early Italian Renaissance construction and is the oldest foundling hospital in Europe. It is regarded as a wonder of architecture. Italy's oldest public institution, Hospital of the Innocents, serves as an orphanage and still provides services to safeguard children today. The hospital has a museum that chronicles the development of the facility and the children that called that place home. Even the records of every child who lived there can be examined in the historical repository of the institution. In front of the museum, don't miss the lovely Piazza della Santissima Annunziata. Number 4. Florence's city gates and walls. The majestic Florence city walls, which guarded the city from intruders, have undergone numerous reconstructions throughout time. Today, only a few sections of the wall are still standing, and the city's gates are among those that have endured. The only gate that has retained its original height is the San Nicol Gate, from the time of construction, 1324. Take a stroll along Florence's walls as you try to picture life in the past. Many of these buildings are the locations of historical events, so they are rich in history. Fortifications were required in the 16th century to protect the city. The Fortress of Belvedere is among the most stunning. Number 3. San Lorenzo Basilica, the oldest church in the city, serving as the cathedral for 300 years, it was dedicated in the year 393. The Basilica di San Lorenzo is situated in the central market area of the city, related to the complex of San Lorenzo. The complex houses the museum and an underground crypt housing Cosimo de' Medici's tomb and Donatello the artist. The Laurentian Medici Library and the Medici Chapel are not to be missed. 1002. Boboli Gardens. There are several beautiful gardens in Florence. The Boboli Gardens are among the most lovely. The Pitti Palace, the main palace of Florence's monarchs, is located behind the garden. The Medici family owned this renowned garden, hailed as an illustration of green architecture. Other courts were significantly influenced by its structural layout. Explore the garden's greenery, lovely fountains, and more as you stroll about. Amazing statues, among other things. The gardens are among the World Heritage Sites recognized by UNESCO and typically receive over 1 million visitors annually. Don't miss the Buontalenti Grotto, a cave straight out of a fantasy. In Florence, there are many additional beautiful gardens. For more suggestions, see our travel guide. Number 1. Duomo Square. Piazza del Duomo, regarded as the city's religious hub, is one of the attractions that you simply must see when in Florence. The city's cathedral is located in the square. The Duomo, sometimes called the Basilica of Santa Maria del Fiore, was finished in 1436. It has a lovely marble exterior and the world's largest masonry dome, which is both spectacular. The Campanile by Giotto provides a sweeping vista of the city. The Santa Reparata crypt is located beneath the cathedral, and the baptistry of St. John is located across from the cathedral. with a mosaic from the Byzantine era that shows the Last Judgment. Other fantastic activities are abundant in Florence. Visit our trip guide for more fantastic recommendations.